Alright, bro, you know I'm making a video, right? That's why I called you, because there's like nobody joining Airplay story, but there's like so many, so I guess I'm joining in the lobby.
Which lobby?
Alright, bro. I'm already in the game.
What game?
Airplane story.
Airplane story.
Yeah, bro, I already said that.
Oh, bro, I need to set up my Xbox. My dad's sleeping, so I won't be able to play.
Well, I guess I'll call you back if...
Can I still talk to you, please?
Well, I'm recording a video and absolutely screaming at people for...
Okay, that's fine. No, I don't mind that. But
Okay.
I'll just talk to you.
Hello, we are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Okay, feel free to explore the airplane. Wait, seriously? I don't have to stay on like on every single actual plane. All right.
Casper.
No. I'm not accepting that.
I need. Why?
I'm recording a video, and I ain't no face reveal guy.
Oh, okay. Wait, can they hear? Can they hear me?
Yes.
Okay, guys. By the way, Casper's a really good content creator. Like you should definitely. Yeah, he's definitely not gonna scream his whole entire life out away.
Let me
Definitely.
sit down.
Did you just say I just sat down?
Oh my. No. I said let me sit down. That's why I screamed. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everyone. No, I'm not going to eat it. I know if I eat it, I'm just always the guy that becomes allergic, and that there's mayo in it. I have the sandwich. Where's the mayo? I don't even see it.
Yeah, because they're trying to hide it. One shot or another. I'm gonna tackle them balls.
I'm not feeling very well. Well, too bad, Victoria. You're
the video where we can swear.
Victoria's Secret. You're dead. Victoria's Secret. That's what comes up to my mind when I hear her name. For Victoria 743-589's baggage for medicine. Look in the baggage storage is above you.
Banana boy.
What?
Is this a video where we're allowed to swear?
No.
Uh-huh. Well, is balls a swear word?
Is who allowed to swear?
Is balls a swear word?
No.
Alright, so I can scream balls at the top of my
Good
lungs.
afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached an stable altitude. It will be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Alright. I think I passed out. Definitely. That's lovely. Yeah, we've passed out. Yeah. I didn't fall asleep. I just passed out. Right now, I'm getting back in. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours. So this is just like a 20-hour plane. I respect that. What do you want? Alright, I'm sitting back down. What? Guys, look, what is that one? Will you shut up, girl? Bro, is that you? I've met tons of different monsters in the story games. You will not survive. Are you one of my bros? Snakes, where? I'm either blind or there's
Yes! Supra!
or Grisagna is on some drugs. Oh, never mind. She's not tripping. She's not tripping.
She not be tripping because your farts be licking.
Alright, open the restroom. Finally, I need
By
it.
the way, you guys that are watching this, when Casper farts, because I've sat with him before, his bum cheeks lift up 5.3 meters in the air.
That doesn't even happen. That's not even physically possible. Shut up before I end the damn call.
Okay, sorry.
This guy likes ducks. I respect that. I like
Did
ducks
you
as well.
say this gay person likes ducks?
No, this guy likes ducks.
I thought you said this guy
You're deaf then.
This guy I thought you said this guy licks this.
No.
I should not be saying this on a normal video, but who gives a? I will not swear one time on this call, because I know how hard it is. Fudger cakes, that's what I said. I said fudger cakes. I promise.
Alright, you said
Fudger cakes.
So I'm gonna end the call.
I said fudger cakes.
The snakes are gone, thank God. Shut up, Prince Celebros. Barros. The creature on the wind is also gone creepy. No, that's just my bro. If he wants me to crash this plane, I'll do it. I don't care.
If bro wants me to crash the plane, I will shart all over people.
I still do it.
No.
The good news is the power is back up. Oh, okay. I don't care about no power. How aren't we just diving down and dead already in that case? We were... We need... okay.
Yes!
That's definitely...
I have a cause of
Oh,
farting.
crap. I'm dead.
Yeah, you died because you're a bad player.
No, I'm going to that. Yes, I have the mask on. I'm gonna live. The mask keeps you safe until we stabilize the oxygen. My bad, girly. You're gonna die. My bad. Sorry for taking your mask, girl. You're gonna die now. Well, I think I took her mask. Why do I keep passing out? Oh my God, what is this?
Let's go.
It looks like a bomb. What do you mean? Where? Oh, you. Oh, on you. I don't care. You can die out.
I don't care.
I don't give a damn. Just die already. I just die already.
Yes.
I am literally spam clicking on these scissors. What are you talking about? I literally clicked on them way before you did. I was spamming this. You know what, fine then. I don't care about what cable you cut. I will cut the red cable. You're gonna die. Most likely. I wanna see you explode. Oh, come on. We did it! You mean you did it? I did nothing. I want her dead. I wanted her dead. She's
Oh, why did you want someone dead, bro? That is. I'm calling the police on you for assault.
But I didn't even do anything. All I said was I wanted her
Then
dead. I didn't even do anything.
assault. Verbal assault. I'm not charging you for verbal assault.
I didn't even say anything in the chat. She doesn't even know. I found Victoria's Secret medicine box.
Where?
Hey, open up! We haven't heard the. We should and check if everything is okay. Nah, I'm okay.
Nah, I'm good.
Ooh, if I can crash the plane, I will. It's my mission to crash this plane, or should I save it?
Save it.
Alright, there's like 3 other games anyway. If I crash the plane, I'm not gonna survive anyway. Where? The other side of that plane? Right, it's locked. I already have the. I know where the code is anyway. I found it literally at the start of the game and took a photo of it. I remember the code. I can just check. The doctor needs a code. You know what? Yeah. I found the code. Finally, I'm useful for something. God, I needed that. Oh, hi, bro. Annoyance. Emotes. Let me just wave. Hello. What have we done to you, bro? Except become like somewhat good friends with you, I think. You think you're? I'm getting on the thing and saving this plane.
You put my name with yellow.
I brought you here. All of you.
I put my
Okay.
name with yellow. Farts. I put my
That
name
is
with
not possible.
Fuck.
You're the Kitty Zuza.
Kitty Zuza.
That's the name of some random person. They definitely named themselves when they were on drugs. See you in the afterlife. You're a demon though. Oh, my screen was just shaking. I thought that was just after I stopped to. Alright, let me. I am.
This is going to be easy.
No, it's not falling. I'm gonna save you guys. Click everything. I can be good for clicking on everything. With my auto clicker. We did it. We saved the plane. Now let me.
Now give me birthday cake.
It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Why did I have to say that? I don't care about going home. I wanna crash this plane.
You sounded so evil there, like. What the
Did that actually sound evil?
Yes, very evil.
Okay. I bet it actually didn't. Those were my bets.
That's to me, bro. Because I've heard you laugh about 5 billion times.
Well, that wasn't even an actual laugh. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay?
No.
Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Oh, that's where they were. Alright, we'll trace your location and we are taking control. What do you mean? That doesn't work like that if I'm correct. Damn it! Alright, that's me. That's gonna be me. That's gonna be me. That's gonna be me. Okay? It's gonna be me. It's gonna be me, okay?
That's gonna be me.
I am speedrunning over there. It is my mission to get there first. Yes! I got on it! That's main character. That's main character energy when you really need it. Okay, everyone, I got this. Don't trust me as a pilot. Stop jumping on me before I end you all, okay? Before I end you all, okay, bro? Oh no, it is back. Hey, bro. You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. What do you mean by that? Last chance Sputterfive, Sonic. Don't call me that. That was my first identity. Don't call me that ever again. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. What should I do? No or yes?
Yes.
No.
Why not?
I'm not doing it. Yeah! I'm saving this plane. Alright, this isn't the end of the video because I'm gonna come back and crash the plane with other people in it. Just so I get both of the endings. I already crashed the plane before.
Why?
Because I was playing with my friend and I crashed my friend. They crashed the plane with my friend in it. It was not the last time we see him. What did he mean? Who cares? Let's get back home now. Princess Barrow, shut up! Nobody wants to listen to you. You should have died already. Airplane. Victory! Wait, aren't I supposed to get a badge or something? Unless I already got both endings. Yeah, I got both endings before, but I'm gonna do it again.
Okay.
Because I'm doing it for the video. Hi Roblox. I mean Kisniti. Esmer Bomba. Sound weird. Why do they have Monster Energy in the game? D8. Why am I in the 8s again? Like, are you kidding? I'm in the. Last time I was on these on C8. Now D8. Alright, let's get through this again. Hope if I die, I die. But know that this is an alternate version of me, okay? I'm evil in the version that I crashed a plane in. Just say that, okay? Okay. Okay, that sounds good. I wasn't talking to you.
I want to talk to you.
No. Feel free to explore the plane. Nah, I know what happens. I've played these games before!
I played these games before. Oh, I played these games.
Now, please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Okay. This time, actually, let me sit down. Oh, that time I just jumped by accident. I accidentally pressed it. Last time I accidentally. Last time it wasn't even an accident. The game didn't even let me sit in my damn seat. Now it does. Now when I have true dedication to end this entire lobby, including this entire lobby, so I can rule the underworld of the monster. Yeah.
Why did you send the rest of the people into the Nether?
Dude, I said end everyone in this.
Oh, to the end. Where the Ender Dragon is.
No, end them. Like kill them.
Hey, you can't be saying that. This is a 4-year-old and under video. So
no, it's not a 4-year-old and under video. I literally already said damn it in this video.
Damn's not even a swear word.
It's like it's still a word that 4-year-olds can't say.
Bro, there's this 4-year-old in my street that swears.
Bro, somebody is copying me. There's some guy that named themselves Banana Boy 3000.
Give me their IP address, Roblox. Give me
Bro,
their IP
I'm sending you a picture. Gabriel, Gabe, you better do something about this guy. Could I do something about this copy? Let me send this to you. Bruce copying me. I don't like him.
Banana Boy 3000.
I told
Gun
you.
_ master 6669. What you should go to the bottom one is report abuse. Because he abused you.
Why would I report him?
Because you could just say that he tickled me in real life, and now he's
Type of abuse, text, chat, avatar. What about their username? they're copying my name.
Hello.
Personal information.
P, no P, W, no A, R.
He's copying my name.
S, no. U, no. G,
Bro?
no. G.
Let me just also send you this. This is kind of. He's copying my name. Where? Bro, I feel like just like I skipped 15 minutes. Guys, there's a no. Okay.
What did Casper send to me? Experience or person. Type of abuse. Choose one.
I'm in it. Okay, how does this guy have legless, bodiless, and headless?
This man can't have headless. It's against the law.
No, seriously, he has headless. I'm taking a photo of this rare occurrence. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Okay, Pinocchio.
Pinocchio.
No, Curry, that's their name.
Pinocchio?
Pinocchio. P-I-N-O-C-K-Y-O. Pinocchio. 787878.
What?
Sandwich. Let me eat my sandwich. No! I eat my sandwich! What's wrong with me? Alright, I know where this... The power's back on. What the heck is Esmer Bomba saying? That you'll crash the plane? Not before I do! I'll crash the plane.
Doors. Why? Naughty.
I'll crash the plane. I'll crash the plane before you do, Esmer Bomba. This is my mission. I gotta crash it.
Yeah.
Alright, I found a thing for the person that when they just eat it. I'm not allergic to mayo. I found it. It's right next to where I'm sitting. D8. Who is it?
Oh, I'm cooked.
I have the mask immediately. Just found it immediately. I don't care.
Alright.
I'm gonna. I found my thingy. 2 people died, including Banana Boy 3000. Yes! Yes!
You're the better Banana Boy YT.
I'm the original. Well, except I'm not the original, because after searching my name one time before, I realized that there's like a lot of other Banana Boys. It's quite obvious to know if you see me, because I have never seen a person ever with these exact clothes on. Sometimes I would see them with like the Infinity Hammer and fork, but never like everything. Sometimes the clothes. Alright, I found a pair of scissors. You're welcome. Which cable should I cut? I wanna end her life, so blue. I hope you die.
Cheat.
Damn it!
Yeah.
Let me just walk up to her. I hope you die. Oh, I got censored. I hope you. I hope you oof. And I just walk away. I found them already. I found them. I'm dancing. Need to alert the captain. Quickly get to the captain room. Damn it. I must get there quicker. Oh yeah, it needs a code. Right? If I remember. Try, it's okay, so try. Bet. Something is happening. Captain may... I don't care about no captain. The store needs a code. Boom, I found the scissors and the code. No, I'm not gonna make that sound ever again. It's the creature! Last time somebody said, oh my god, it's the creature, I think. You will pay for what you've done. What did I do, bro? Unless you're talking about a totally different, And then, by garden, you think you're here on accident.
Yes.
I brought you here, all of you. You know what? I'm glad. I'm kind of glad you brought the Pinocchio. I want her dead. Please kill her. Please let me kill her. I'm crushing the plane. It's my objective. If I don't do it, then I will see you in the afterlife.
Yes, I'm nearly at my all-time. Yes, if I fail this one, I'm gonna crush it.
Alright.
D O N D. Yeah. J J J J.
Bro, everyone left. Wait. Pinocchio is dead anyway, technically. Find the autopilot button. Did everyone leave? No. Girls. I'm gonna get it through really quickly in this case. Scenario. I'm really clicking every single button.
And we'll turn it
Alright.
in. Yes.
She didn't leave. What do you mean I saved the plane? I was the one that found the code, that found the scissors, that pressed the buttons. I will kill you. I will. Oh, never mind. I'm the only person left anyway. Of course, I'll get to the end. Everyone got bored, I guess. Alright, let me go over there. If I get jump scared or scared, then no, I will be scared. Well, not actually, sometimes. Alright, let me just shut up. Hello! We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes, I'm okay. Autopilot mode is on. I am literally saying I'm okay until we are okay because there's absolutely no one else on this plane left. Okay, we've tracked your location and we are taking control. Okay. There is one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. I'm gonna crush it. I don't care. I don't care anymore. I'm gonna crash the plane. Last time there was actually people competing to get, and they still saved the plane. Managed. I sort of crashed it when I had the chance. Cause I wanted everyone in this server dead, but I should have wanted everyone in the other server dead. Okay, I got this. Don't have PTSD in this game because I'm talking to myself clearly.
Probably do, but okay.
Oh no, my bro is back. How are you still alive, Spider-Fly Sonic?
Cause I am.
I killed all of your friends. It's called main character. But you, there was something about you. Your energy does not let me kill you. See, this shows I'm overpowered in every single game on Roblox. I'm overpowered in every single one.
How?
One way or another.
One way.
I will come back for you. Bro, what do you mean I'm crashing the plane? So is it automatic that I saved the plane? I can't believe I was the only survivor. Look around you, buddy. No one. The dude, I got the badge. The chosen one. I'm the flippin' chosen one.
No,
Do you know what that reminds me of?
just tell me.
Guys, so what it this title reminds me of. Why did Gojo call himself the honored one? I'm the chosen one. The chosen one versus the honored one.
You're the honored one. but I'm
From
the
the heavens and earth, I alone am the honored one, and I alone am the chosen one. Alright, I'll try to make an animation of me fighting Gojo, I guess. It depends if you want me dead or alive against him. Your win's free. Yeah, I have every ending. I was with some other people and crashed the plane. I saved the plane. And I became the chosen one.
Hey, Casper.
Alright guys, bye, see ya and have a great day.